6.4x20-2ft. Today we're going to be looking at the 6.4x20 utility trailer with side gate. This does come with your jack, coupler, and safety chains. Has your spare tire mount. Mesh along the side. The floor is pressure treated wood flooring. This comes as a tandem axle. Comes with the two 3,500-pound greaseable axles. This does come fully wired with LED drive lights. It is a Dovetail. Here we have your side gate. Once again, this is the 6.4x20 utility trailer with side gate.